Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails with vodka and cranberry juice. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need your favorite vodka, some crisp cranberry juice, and plenty of ice. Grab a jigger or a measuring spoon and a tall highball glass. Having everything ready makes the mixing process smooth and enjoyable. We're aiming for a refreshing drink that's easy to prepare and perfect for any occasion. Now, let's craft the classic vodka cranberry. Begin by filling your highball glass generously with ice cubes. This keeps your drink perfectly chilled. Next, carefully measure 1.5 ounces of your preferred vodka and pour it directly over the ice. Then, add about 4 ounces of cranberry juice, leaving a little room at the top. Give it a gentle stir for about 10 seconds to ensure all the flavors are well mixed and refreshing. Ready to explore some exciting variations? A simple squeeze of fresh lime juice can add a wonderful, zesty kick, transforming the flavor profile. Don't be afraid to experiment with different cranberry juice blends, perhaps a cranberry raspberry or cranberry grape for a unique twist. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your drink with a fresh lime wedge or a few floating cranberries. You could also add a splash of soda water for a lighter, bubbly version. To truly perfect your vodka cranberry, always prioritize high-quality ingredients. They make a noticeable difference. A great tip is to chill your glasses in the freezer for about 10 minutes before mixing, ensuring your drink stays colder longer. Feel free to adjust the ratio of vodka to cranberry juice to match your personal taste, perhaps 2 ounces of vodka to 3 ounces of juice. Finally, always taste your creation and adjust sweetness or tartness as needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.